we are finally at Friday and we are working today on page 9 in your books. And today is all about adding up. Some children have started to add up in school, but for a lot of children this might be some new learning. So I'm going to show you our add symbol. It's a cross just like this. And when we add things together, it means that the number gets bigger. So if I add 5 fingers to another 5 fingers, I've got 10 fingers all together. And this whole page is working on adding up. So before you start, it might be useful if you can go and collect some objects to help you count. Maybe 10 sweets or 10 toys or 10 pennies, and that will help you to answer some of the questions here. So our first question asks us to add the numbers in each balloon and match the balloons to the right answers. So the first one says 3 add 3. So you could either use your fingers or your objects that you have in front of you, and you need to find 3 and find another 3 and then see how many we've got all together. So if I use my fingers, I've got 3 here and 3 here. I'm going to count them all now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer should be 6. And as you can see, they've got it right in the book here. They've drawn a line to 6. So if you could do the same for the other balloons and draw a line to the right answer, that would be very clever. Now for number 2, they do already have some objects there for you to count. So you could either use your objects or use the objects on the paper to count. And you're going to add up each pair of numbers and write your answer on the dotted line at the end. And as maybe some extra practice at the end, maybe you could go and find some socks in your house. The smellier the better. And you can add up how many you've got. And again, like we always say, we'd love to see some photos being sent into the reception email. So this is a